Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your journeys smoother and more rewarding. Today, we're tackling something that's been on a lot of minds: how to use Spirit Credit in 2025. If you're a fan of Spirit Airlines or have accumulated some credits from past flights, this guide is your golden ticket to maximizing those perks. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is Spirit Credit? It's a flexible reward system offered by Spirit Airlines that lets you earn credits for flights, baggage fees, or even upgrades. In 2025, Spirit has made some exciting updates to make it even easier to use. To get started, you'll need to log into your Spirit Airlines account on their website or app. If you don't have one, sign up. It's quick and free. Step 1. Check your credit balance. Once you're logged in, head to the My Trips or Rewards section. Here, you'll see a clear breakdown of your available credits, including any expiration dates. Pro tip: credits don't expire if you keep them active, so keep an eye on that. Next, redeeming your credits is a breeze. When you're ready to book a flight, select your dates and destinations as usual. At checkout, look for the option to apply credits. You can use them for the base fare, seat selection, or even extras like bags or Wi-Fi. Remember, in 2025, Spirit has introduced a new feature where you can combine credits with cash for partial payments. Super handy for those bigger trips. One thing to watch out for: availability might be limited during peak seasons, so plan ahead. Also, if you're booking for others, make sure the credits are transferable, which they are under the latest policy. To wrap this up, using Spirit Credit in 2025 is all about smart planning and taking advantage of these updates. Whether you're jetting off for a vacation or a business trip, these credits can save you a bundle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below with your own tips. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.